This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Uh-oh, Emma, this soup is cold. And is that onion? I didn't order onion.
Classic. Now what are you gonna do? Shout, cry, or complain politely?
Ever had bad food or slow service and didn't know how to speak up without sounding rude? Stick around. In this episode, we'll give you the exact phrases to complain politely in English and sound confident doing it.
And there's one phrase at the end that even native speakers use when they want staff to take them seriously. You'll want to steal it.
All right, here's what most English learners do and why it backfires. They start with the problem immediately, like, this is cold.
And that feels direct. But in English-speaking cultures, especially in restaurants, that can sound blunt. It puts people on the defensive.
Exactly. Instead, we build a soft landing before the complaint.
Think of it as a compliment sandwich, positive, then the problem, then a soft request.
Waiter, this is cold.
Okay.
Excuse me, I think there might be a problem with my soup. It's a little cold. Could it be warmed up, please?
Of course, I'll fix that right away.
See the difference? You don't attack, you invite them to help you.
Here's the golden formula you can use for almost any polite complaint. Get attention politely. Excuse me, or sorry to bother you. State the issue gently. I think there might be a mistake. Offer a clear solution. Could you? Or would it be possible?
And you can even add softening words like a bit, a little, seems like. Those make the complaint sound less like an accusation.
But what if the staff is really busy and you don't want to sound like a problem? There's a special English phrase for that. We'll share it in just a moment.
Okay, picture this. The restaurant is full, the waiters are running around, and your food is wrong. You don't want to make things worse.
Here's what you say. When you get a chance, or when you have a moment, it tells them you're patient but still need help.
Like, excuse me, when you get a chance, could you check the bill? I think there's a mistake. That's polite and effective.
And the funny thing, even busy staff will prioritize you because you sound understanding, not demanding.
But there's one polite phrase that's like a magic key. It gets instant respect in English-speaking restaurants. We'll reveal that right after the break.
And no, it's not I know the manager.
All right, here it is, and the magic key phrase, I'd really appreciate it if...
It's polite, but it also carries weight. Appreciation makes people want to help you.
So instead of saying, this steak is raw, you say, I'd really appreciate it if you could cook this a little more.
Boom, instant cooperation.
Here's the secret. In English-speaking cultures, service people are trained to respond positively to appreciation. The phrase, I'd really appreciate it if, signals you're a nice customer.
And nice customers get better service. It's not about being fake. It's about showing respect while asking for what you need.
And honestly, it works outside restaurants too. Shops, hotels, airports, anywhere.
Hi, sorry to bother you. I think there might be a mistake with my booking. I'd really appreciate it if you could check.
Of course, let me fix that for you. Jack, now as passenger at airport check-in. Excuse me, when you get a chance, could you check if there's an aisle seat available? I'd really appreciate it.
Absolutely, I'll see what I can do.
See, same formula, different setting.
You can have the perfect words, but if your tone is sharp, it still feels rude.
Exactly. Smile, make eye contact, and use a friendly tone. Even on the phone, smile while you speak. It changes how you sound.
Excuse me, I think there might be a problem.
Excuse me, I think there might be a problem.
Same sentence, completely different vibe.
Here's an advanced move. Combine appreciation with understanding. For example, excuse me, I know it's really busy, but I'd appreciate it if you could check our order.
That shows empathy and still gets your problem solved.
And yes, staff do remember polite customers. It's how you get better service next time.
So, remember the formula. Get attention politely. State the issue gently. Offer a clear solution. Add appreciation.
And practice in low-stakes situations so it's natural when it really matters.
Your challenge, This week, use the phrase, "I'd really appreciate it if," at least once. And tell us in the comments how it went.
We might even feature your story in the next episode.
And if you want to know how to pay politely in English, check episode 4 right here.
See you next time!